Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the last episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the United States and the Olympics. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Did the United States begin participating in the Olympics in 1996? No. The U.S. has been involved since the first modern Olympics in 1896. Is the U.S. the country with the most Olympic medals in history? Yes, it has won more medals than any other country. Are American athletes trained without support or resources? No, the U.S. has strong systems for training and athlete development. Is sports culture a minor part of American life? No, sports are a huge part of American culture and identity. Has the U.S. had great success in sports like swimming and gymnastics? Yes, it has produced world-class athletes in many disciplines. Is Michael Phelps a famous American golfer? No, he is a legendary Olympic swimmer. Do Americans watch the Olympics only to support foreign athletes? No, they mainly cheer for their own team while enjoying the global event. Did Jesse Owens win Olympic gold during the 1984 Los Angeles Games? No, he won in 1936 in Berlin. Are the Olympics only about winning medals for the U.S.? No, they're also about representing values like unity and perseverance. Is the Olympic movement a small event in American history? No, it has played a major role in shaping national pride and international presence. Watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next exciting video in this amazing series on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.